students, today we are going to see the unknown words of poem 5 Hungry Ducklings. So first we are going to see the words Hungry, hungry. 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 Ducklings, ducklings. Ducklings, ducklings. Ducklings. Swimming, swimming. 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 Bottom, bottom. Bottom. Tasty, tasty. Tasty. Quickly, quickly. Quickly. Charm, charm. Charm. Instead, instead. Now I'll show you the we will see the pronunciation of the words hungry, ducklings, swimming, bottom, tasty, quickly, charm, instead. Now we will see the meaning. Hungry, feeling hunger. When you have had the food in the morning, till the evening you have not eat anything, and then you feel hunger. So that is called hungry. Ducklings, a young duck. The baby duck is called ducklings. Swimming, move through water using your arms and legs. In water you move like we are walking in water. We move with the help of our arms and legs. That is called swimming. Bottom, the lowest part. Bottom means the lowest, the last part. Tasty, having a pleasant flavor. Tasty means when you eat something and you feel very good. So that is called tasty. Quickly, moving fast. Quickly means to move very fast. Charm, attractiveness, the thing which is very attractive. That is called charm. Instead means at once. Thank you.